Hi, welcome to Living on Get It. Today in this clip video, I would like to present or introduce you about this Engino E30 STEM and Robotics Pro. It is about robotic stuff that maybe parents bought it and then would like to know how to use it. There will be a lot of model that can build from this. The model inside, like this, for example, these two, beside the structure that you have to build it, you need to use the electronic stuff to control. So there are some models that don't need electronic stuff, which I believe that you can build them by following this curriculum that you can download them from the Engino website. They are all free. So in this curriculum there will be theory and digital book and step-by-step building instructions and also 3D building instruction, and there are also the software as well for programming and download the program to the controller inside it. So from the structure parts, you can build it on your own. I believe you're just following this curriculum. So I like to share you about how to use the electronic devices in this model. I focused on this electronic device. So I show you inside first what in this model. So this is a cover, and in the box it like this. So I have already unpacked all the stuff. So inside a bunch of parts. So I would like to separate them to two types, which are electronic and non-electronic parts. So all structure parts. For example, electronic parts is like this motor and here as well, the controller and the sensors, for example. And structure parts are this kind of thing, wheels and gears and something that not electronic. So I separate them first. Okay, here controllers and the sensor, motors, LED parts. Okay. I will focus on talking about how to use the electronic things because it may be difficult for somebody. So after I separate them, this should be all of them. So cables, controllers, and peripherals. All right, this is all electronics. So for peripherals, I would like to separate them to two types, which are inputs and outputs, input devices and output devices. So here, output devices, I explain you later. So here, these are output devices and these are input devices, and this is controller. So the input device, they are the things that, I'm sorry, here, input devices. These are the things that receive information from the surrounding, maybe from us, from me, or from surroundings, and convert it to electrical signal and send to the controller. And the output devices are a bunch of these that convert the electrical signal to motion or light or something else. Okay, I'll give you an example. This is a motor. It converts the electrical signal to motion in turning. And this are LED light. So it converts electrical signal to light. There are 2 green LED and 2 red LEDs and 1 yellow LED, and 3 motors here, and the input device. And the input devices, 2 infrared sensors and 1 touch switch. Okay, so for the cable, there are 3 types of cable, which are, the first one is USB cable. Here, USB cable. So for download the program or upload program from the controller or download from the computer. So the second one is this. At the tip, they are the same, both ends. It's like a telephone cable. So for all this small thing, okay, and you see the connector here. And the last one is for motor. Here you can see one is like a telephone cable and this is round. So this is for motor here. Okay, then talking about the controller. This is a controller. So in order to use it, you can press it here, on off switch. So you can press it. If you have a battery, so it can be operated. Talking about the battery, this one needs 6 battery, as you see in the compartment. Okay, yeah. So it needs 6 batteries to operate it. But in realistic, if you have just 3 AA battery, it should be enough to operate this. So, but you need to know how to insert it. You can insert it from top or from bottom. Only 3 from top or 3 from bottom. So now you can operate. See, it's 3 from top, and if you insert 3 from bottom, you can also operate it. 3 AA battery is enough. Okay, if you can put 6 AA batteries, that should be fine. You can have more energy, more power, so you can use it in the longer time. Okay, so in this video I will end it here. In the next video I will talk about how to program it. So thanks for watching, and sorry about my not very well English, but I like to share. Hope everyone can understand, and thank you.